Kasorka jala menta kasingi kakat sautrik nailar kala pentep bakala depan yok pidang ya kashiti ya kreni so kabla terwa da sangking atiar New Trap National Liberation Council kabla pha ka khandri trik kala lingkot arjara koi Sheki he sarkar ki pekan thop yu menteri rangba usumbot menteri rangba bat umenteri katrat kampo ye Henry de nakadaw bakidan kimat ki ba umya badru baka sarkar India ka klem pidang kumta kila jubab sheka channel C baka de ban pha piang dakawai pat ka shiti ban wengno ikikatu kat nitali kimat dakba ai nuksa ye kamat ka banikong ban penne ye ka standstill agreement kabla soy ha ka khandai tarik unailar khat khandai spa saupunyo Hapakran chikilat patai kuboru menteri rangba kajalau kondot ki sangmau loong ka sarkar hadu menta kadang ap ya ka shiti ka baar Henry hadu menne menta kamshim pat la yop diang naka channel C.
We have maintained from day one that that Meghalaya government also wants peace and is open to talks with any of the organizations that would like to come and talk to us. But we have always maintained that it must be within the constitutional framework of the country. They must shun violence, and it must be an unconditional talk. So therefore, one cannot come forward, with conditions to the talks. So when we talk, we can discuss things, but before you come to the talks itself, if you come with conditions, then that is something that is not acceptable. So we are agreeable, but as I said, must shun violence, must come without conditions, and must be within the framework of the constitution of the country. So that's our stand, and that's still our stand right now also.
Have you received any letter from the HNLC department?
Yes, we had received a letter. I don't have the exact date with me.
16 of January 2021.
Yeah, 16 of January 21. So you knew it, but anyway. So we have received. After the letter was received, we have discussed multiple times within the government, within Meghalaya government about the letter, and without naming individuals, even in Government of India level, 2 discussions took place at official level. 2 discussions took place with Government of India also regarding the letter that was sent by the HNLC. Based on that, the Government of India has mentioned that some of the conditions that they put in are not acceptable to Government of India, and therefore they must submit another letter without those conditions, and those conditions are the standstill agreement, and second is the instrument of accession. So these 2 should not be there, and this was communicated to them. And after the communication, we were told that they will submit a letter without those conditions and remove all the other conditions and move in the line which we have prescribed, that it should be in the constitutional framework, it should be under without any conditions, and it should be shunning of violence. So all that was discussed, but in the meantime, that letter did not come, and in the meantime, the different incidents started taking place in Jaintia Hills. So therefore, at one side, we were receiving this communication, but at one side, the violence was continuing in Jaintia Hills. So therefore, it was not clear as to what really was the intention at that point in time. So therefore, that is what happened, and that process was on while these incidents that took place. So therefore, there were channels, and of course, as I said, without going into details of the individuals, so there were channels that were there, and this information was coming in, and we were being told that, as I said, a new letter will come with all the other information. With another appeal without the other terms and conditions. But as I said, that particular letter never came.